Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today I'm working on that thing over there. I'm trying to get this car started already so I can take it out for some photos. I'm gonna be trying to tackle down the alternator and the starter today. I don't know if I can even do all of those things. I'm gonna try to take stuff off. This car is really old and rusty if you don't know. Alright, so all of our parts are actually somewhere here. They're just all scattered in these boxes. I gotta figure out which one is which, and I'll get right back. Alternator right here, and of course magnets from Rock Auto. They're crazy with that stuff. And our starter as well. Alright, convenient enough that we have both at the same place. Yo, there's spider webs. Okay, so our alternators here, starters right here. These are the two things that we're going to try to fix today, but I doubt I'll have time or patience to do both of them. So I think I'm going to start with the alternator and then we'll see how things go. Okay, so the alternator on the old car is over here. Well, the old alternator is right here. I have no idea how to do this. I've changed alternators before, just not on a car that's ancient. So it's kind of wiggling now. I don't know if I should yank on it because it's rusty and that's why it's kind of stuck, or there's something else holding it. I don't see anything else holding it. Alright, let's try this. It was just rusty and stuck. Alright, so this cable's connected. There's another one here I gotta take out, and we should be golden, yo. We should be good. Alright, so this is obviously the new one. Goes without saying. That's the old one. I don't know if this is good or not. It's just, I'm just gonna assume it's bad because it's from 1984. And it has like, you see like you see that? It fell out of the alternator, and that, my friends, is rat poop. So I'm just gonna assume it must be changed. Okay, so that's the new one. I'm just gonna go ahead and put this back in and we should be good with that part. Also, a rule of thumb, whenever you're changing parts out, just look at your new part and look at the old part. See if they look similar. If they don't look similar, chances are it should probably not go in. These look pretty similar. Alright, so we're kind of all done with this one. By the way, this is much heavier, so I must be doing something good for the car. And our new one goes right back in there. All right, it's actually the next day. I kind of realized when I was putting this together that in this old one, there's a positive cable that comes over here, but it's one of the ones with the holes. So it kind of puts in here. And the new alternator has these slots over here. So, so female and connectors kind of just go in here. So I kind of had to delay that whole thing, so I went and got some connectors, and we're gonna test out which one of these actually work. I think if this one works, I'll be super happy. If that works, I'll still be happy. If that works, this is probably not gonna work. I'll just keep this on the side. Alright, so the other day when I was filming, I kind of freaking realized that this shit does not fit here. This stuff don't fit in here. So we're gonna do it the plain old ghetto way and just try to wire this up as long as it touches, we should be good. Alright, in this week's episode of How to Not Do Things Correctly, we kind of freaking like spliced up this red wire that was here, the positive that goes into the old alternator. But that one, alright, so this is the new one. There's these two connectors. I just showed you that I was trying to do. And I kind of got these connectors on there. So that's good. But now we have two ends for the positive instead of one, because this old one here has that piece, which is the positive wire kind of goes into, and this one doesn't have it. So what we had to do was kind of like splice this. So now we got two ends. That's gonna go into one and two here, and there's a connector for that one here too, so we're pretty good now. All right, alternator is back in. I put it back in. There's the adjustment bolt, same place. That thing, same place. Belt, same place. Ground, same place. Cables, same place. What did you expect? So everything seems to be in the same place again. Next up, we have a starter, but that's for another video, which will be the next one. Well, this seems to be on pretty good. All right, we're done with this for now. I'm just happy I got to put this back together with no real issues. You know, knowing that this car is a 1984. I thought it would have a lot more problems than, a lot of more problems than it gave me. I just had to splice some wiring and, no big deal. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked the video, press the like button down below. Comment something. There's like a bunch of buttons down there. Just press any of these buttons. I'm sure it helps me out one way or another. Just press one of the buttons down, like this one or this one, or comment, or just do anything. And next up, I'm doing the starter, and we're on our way to get this car started. Hopefully, fingers crossed. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.